Alright, so you keep hearing about artificial intelligence, but what does that actually mean for you? Today, I'm unlocking AI in the simplest way possible, so you can stop feeling lost and actually start using it. Let's get this straight. AI isn't just robots and sci-fi. It's behind apps you already use, like Google Maps, Netflix, and even your phone's camera. AI just means computers learning from data, then making decisions or suggestions. So, how do you use it? Start small. Try out ChatGPT or Google Bard. These are chatbots that answer questions, write emails, or even help with homework. Just type in a question, and you'll get a response, almost like texting a genius friend. For photos, apps like Canva use AI to touch up images or remove backgrounds in a click. If you want to get fancy, explore AI art generators like DALL-E or music tools like AIvsAI. The key is to experiment. Play around, break things, and don't stress if you don't get it right on the first try. AI is here to make life easier, not harder. So give it a shot. You'll be surprised how quickly you can unlock the power of AI in your everyday life. Thanks for watching, and let me know what AI tool you try first.